Hi guys, so I just did a oil change on this 2011 Toyota 4RUNNER. I didn't do much to it, so I barely get to show you guys anything on this one, but it's just straight up oil change. Takes the 14mm socket with a 3/8 for the drain plug, but you need a special tool, a Toyota socket, to get rid to take the oil filter out. But yeah, anyways, I just did the oil change and an air filter. That's pretty much it. Well, guess what guys, it's not raining today. It's actually beautiful out. The sun's out. That's my regular road test area again. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what this SUV looks like. Right there guys, looks pretty nice. There you guys go. Yeah, so it's got a GPS right here. But yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. Thank goodness. Alright guys, I'll see you guys again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.